My name is Noah, and I design the shopping experiences that help customers choose and purchase devices. My advice to students is follow your passion, and you'll find your unique way to change the world in a good way. When we play games, it's more interesting if something random happens every time we play. An enemy character could pop up in a random part of the screen, giving us a fresh challenge every time we play. Instead of programming every possible move or game outcome, which could take a long time, we can use the method random, which is a static method from the math class. Let's see how it works. First, to create a random number, we call math.random. Random is a static method, so we can call it in the class, which is math. This method call returns a random double between 0.0, inclusive, and 1.0, exclusive. In other words, the double generator will be a random decimal number greater or equal to 0.0 and less than 1.0. To increase the number range from 0 to a number greater than 1, we have to multiply the returned value of method call by a scalar. For example, to generate a random number between 0 and 7, not including 7, we would write math.random times 7. Each time we make the call, the value remains within the range, but we get a new random number. To change the starting number of the range, we need to offset the range by adding an amount to math.random. Let's see what happens when we add 1. Another way of saying this is that we offset by 1. When we do this, the range of possible random numbers returned is shifted to be 1.0 to 8.0. Notice that both the starting and end numbers were shifted by 1. Math.random generates random doubles. If we wanted whole numbers, we would need to cast the values. But be careful. The minimum value will still be 1. But since we are getting rid of the decimal places, the max number this will evaluate to is 7. Casting 7.99 to an integer makes it 7. Using random is a great shortcut for creating elements that can change. Try it.